Are you tired of working long hours and still struggling to make ends meet? Are you looking for a way to earn a six-figure income from the comfort of your own home? Well, look no further, because affiliate marketing might just be the solution you've been searching for. With affiliate marketing, you have the flexibility to work from anywhere in the world and set your own schedule. This means you can spend more time with your loved ones, travel, and enjoy the things that matter most to you. One of the most important, yet underestimated, problems that face most aspiring affiliate marketers is to do with mindset. The most important issue facing most people, in fact, when it comes to becoming incredibly wealthy, all comes down to upgrading their way of thinking, so that they think like a millionaire. At some point you have to rewire your whole belief system about money if you wish to make it big. Imagine adding an extra 4, 5, or even 6 figures a month to your income. The great news is there is an affiliate marketing program that will teach how to create a six-figure income from the comfort of your home. The teacher is someone who has spent many years teaching and harnessing the power of the mind. He has created a system that gives you the brain of a millionaire. While this might sound almost unbelievable at first, what I'm about to show you is a proven system that literally downloads the brain of a millionaire into your head. Remember, success is possible with the right mindset and approach. Don't let failure discourage you. Keep learning, planning, and working towards your goals, and you can achieve success in affiliate marketing. Thank you for watching. We hope you found it informative. Remember, thinking like a millionaire can be the most profitable and simplest way to make money online. It's important to get a proven mentorship program to get you started to eliminate mistakes. Good luck!